Today I want to share with you 5 beautiful cinematic LUTs I created for my recent projects. These LUTs give you a natural, colorful look without being too flashy, so they work pretty good with a variety of footage like nature and travel shots, fashion and lifestyle, or even vlogs, since they are really flattering when it comes to skin tones. I already used them on several music videos, real estate and wedding films, and they are so versatile. I think no matter what you personally are into, you will definitely find these useful. But without further ado, let's see what these LUTs actually look like.
I'm fighting for a change. No, I won't take it lying down. Nature's not to blame. I should change. I'm fighting for a change. No, I won't take it lying down. Nature's not to blame. I should change. Leaving what you want to world. Believe it's just your right. Strip the land of what you need, then turn a blind eye. Once it's gone, forever gone. Take, don't appreciate. Think now, it's not too late to let the tree rejuvenate.
Even though the LUTs were originally designed for Sony cameras and work perfectly with their picture profiles like Cine 4 or even S-Log, I also tested them with some Canon and Panasonic footage as well, and they work also really great. You may just need to adjust the tint and temperature a bit, but in general they can be used with every camera.